Hi, in this tutorial I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Timex Ironman C30. The battery type is imprinted on the case back, so double check the battery type used in your model of Ironman watch. The procedure of battery replacement is similar on most of these models of Ironman watches. Part used is a CR2025 battery. For more compatible battery types, check the description below. Tools used: flathead or a Phillips screwdriver, spring bar or a band bar removal tool, tweezers, a wire or a clip to reset the watch after battery replacement, silicone grease to lubricate the gasket, remove the 4 screws securing the watch back or back plate turning counterclockwise. On this model of Timex Ironman, you'd have to remove the straps before you remove the watch back. Using a band pin removal tool or a flathead screwdriver, remove the pin and the strap like so. Remove the watch back plate and keep it aside. Remove the screw securing the latch turning counterclockwise. Position of the short pads to reset and the position to unlatch is shown on the sticker. Remove the sticker and keep it aside. Do not throw it. We will stick it back later once the new battery is put in. Thoroughly inspect the gasket. If the gasket is worn out or is out of shape, replace it with a new one. Movement removal is optional. I'm removing the movement just to clean the debris which is lying around. As you can see, the amount of debris that is on this watch. After thoroughly cleaning, put back the movement like so. Once the movement has been assembled back, check the buttons if they are making contact with the pads or buttons on the watch movement. Loop the gasket with silicone grease and put it back like so. Bear in mind while installing the new battery, don't touch the battery with your bare hands. Use an insulated or a plastic forceps. Hook this part of the latch marked by the arrow first onto the movement. Ensure that the latch latches to the plastic part in the movement. Turn the screw clockwise, securing the latch. I have shaped a wire. You could use a paper clip too, so that one end of the wire with a 90-degree bend touches the two short pads and the other end of the wire touches the battery. To reset the watch, touch the two AC pads shown by the circle and the battery at the same time using a paper clip, wire or forceps for approximately 3 seconds. The watch will reset itself like so. Put back the straps like so. To set the date and time, press and hold Set Recall. Press the next or mode button and the hour starts flashing. Press plus, that is start or split, or minus, that is stop or reset, to change the hours. Press mode or next and the minutes starts flashing. Press plus or minus to change minutes. Press next and the second starts flashing. Press next and the month starts flashing. Press plus or minus to change the month. Press next and the day starts flashing. Press plus or minus to change the day. Press next, the year starts flashing. Press plus or minus to change the year. Press next to set options. Once you're done setting the watch, you can press set recall, that is done at any time or at any step, to save the settings. That will be all in this tutorial and hope it's of help. Thanks for watching.